Hey, AV team, happy Tuesday, and thanks for tuning into Up to Speed. I heard a nice woo back there, and for good reason, because today is not just any Tuesday, it's Giving Tuesday. So take a moment and consider giving your time or a small monetary contribution to a cause important to you. Need some inspiration? I personally love donating to V2V, our employee relief fund that helps employees who have been displaced from their homes due to disasters or domestic violence. There are plenty more ways you can give and examples of volunteer opportunities that we'll link in today's story. Well, it's also the season to give gifts, and our holiday deal days are live. So if you've been waiting for a great deal or a great time as well to get a new phone, now is the time. Customers on select plans can trade in any old iPhone, no matter the condition, and you'll get an iPhone 16 Pro, an Apple Watch Series 10, and an iPad 10th generation, all on us. Or get the Samsung S24 Plus or a Google Pixel 9 Pro, plus more gifts worth up to $1,800 when on select plans. We also have the best deals for must-have holiday gifts. So for the music lovers in your life, get Beats Studio Pro for $199.99, giving you $150 in savings. And don't forget to use your Verizon Visa card, and you can get 25% cash back. We'll make your life easier. Don't worry, we'll link all of this in today's story. Speaking of, if you're someone who gets a little overwhelmed by the holidays, I personally do, so don't worry, we've got you, we understand. We are helping make the holidays stress-free by launching some great new tools, like introducing your very own personal research assistant. It's like having your own little helper to answer all of your product questions. Now, this could save you up to 30 seconds per call, and we all know during the holidays, every second counts. So make sure you check that out, and we'll link the George Talks Tech in today's story. All right, now turning to some exciting Verizon Business news. Verizon Business just recently announced our partnership with Knightscope. Verizon Business and Knightscope have teamed up to bring advanced security to life, combining autonomous robots with Verizon's cutting-edge connectivity. This partnership powers smarter, safer public spaces from government facilities like the VA to large industrial sites and campuses. All right, that's awesome. I love those robots. We always love to see awesome things like that. And from enterprises to small businesses, recently Verizon's Small Business Digital Ready program hosted a workshop for local small businesses in Miami. But this workshop had a special twist. Let's check it out.
Hey V team, a special twist indeed. This is actually the team's first workshop conducted fully in Spanish. Sí, en español. And it's safe to say that people are super excited. Let's check it out. It started with an exciting cheer. For the first ever Small Business Digital Ready workshop conducted fully in Spanish.
It was really critical that we do this here in Miami, and our first one in language, en español. Aquí hay una comunidad linda. This is a beautiful community that, you'd be surprised at how many of our clients as well as business owners don't speak a word of English. They're running these operations, these businesses, without speaking English. That's how popular the Spanish language is here. So you have to be able to do business in the way that they want to do business. That's part of what we're trying to accomplish.
The focus of the event was to promote Verizon's Small Business Digital Ready platform, which offers a number of courses, coaching opportunities, and networking opportunities online, and additionally access to a $10,000 grant that small business owners can apply for. By just completing 2 courses and submitting their application, they can be one of several winners of these $10,000 grants.
And one of our recent grant winners, the owners of Angelo Suit and Tux, were in attendance and reflected on the special moment.
Cuando vino la pandemia aplicamos a muchas opciones que había, pero ninguna resultó. Pero jamás perdimos la fe. Y de pronto llega la ayuda de Verizon, entonces fue una cosa de nuevo que inimaginable. Ese momento fue mágico.
La única empresa que nos apoyó a nosotros los pequeños negocios.
Y sin tener cuenta.
Exacto.
No éramos clientes de Verizon. Eso fue increíble.
As for how the grant has helped their business.
El cheque nos sirvió para mejorar nuestra maquinaria de la tienda, para más inventario, porque nosotros nos encargamos de sus toxidos que siempre tienes que estar a la moda.
The next round of these grants is open, and if you apply by the December 13th deadline, your business could be one of several to win one of the $10,000 grants. Now, in addition to teaching folks about the many benefits of our small business digital ready platform, the event also featured an interactive presentation on the importance of digital marketing and networking your business, as well as a fireside chat, leaving folks with plenty of helpful tips and, of course, in good Latino fashion, things wrapped up with some delicious food and plenty of time to network.
I love the event. For me, this event was really useful because I remember a lot of topics that are essential for every kind of company. I obviously recommend this type of event to any entrepreneur or small business.
Very cool. Or as Jen would teach me to say, muy bueno. All right, remember V-Team, if you know a small business owner who can benefit from one of these $10,000 grants, the deadline to apply is December 13th, and we'll have a link in today's story with more information. All right, well, moving on to some more inspiring content, something to maybe pop on during your commute into the office, maybe something to listen to while you work out. Check out Spring Hill's latest podcast with our very own Hans Vestberg. Spring Hill co-founder Maverick Carter sat with Hans to dive into everything from the sport of handball to valuable insights on leadership, innovation, and personal growth. Well, I love a good podcast, so I will be adding that to the queue on my way home. All right, team, well, before we close, in the spirit of the holidays, I leave you with one more gift. We're giving away a special holiday-themed apparel. Basking Ridge V-Teamers can get their hands on one by being one of the first to join our live audience. And as you can see from the folks behind me, folks, show up your apparel that you got. They had some special holiday apparel, but for our V-Teamers located in our U.S. engagement hubs, make sure to keep an eye out on your hub Slack channel for a hint on where you can find your winning item. There are a lot of fun items to look forward to, like this really fun hat. I'm just really loving the stripes. As you can see, I'm a stripe lover. We've got the V here. It's nice, it's warm. Got the little puff up top. So it's gonna be an exciting scavenger hunt, and may the best sleuth win. All right, well, good luck, everyone. Until next time, you're up to speed.